So this video right here is going to be about my everyday carry in 2024. Let's go and get straight into it. The very first item that I personally carry with me every single day is, of course, my iPhone 14. I don't go anywhere without it. And if I do go somewhere without it, it's because I done messed up and I left it at home. I'm about to make a U-turn to go pick it back up. Now, obviously, the iPhone 15 is out. Now, this is the iPhone 14 Pro Max, I will say. But obviously, the iPhone 15 series, they are out. I personally haven't upgraded just yet just because, I mean, the 14 is still doing what it needs to do. I mean, I can still, shoot great video on here. Has great specs. You know how Apple does. They upgrade small things to, for the next one. The 15 just got log in it for me, a better lens. That's it. I got a camera for that. Then on top of that, this phone right here still takes excellent pictures to me when I do street photography, or even if I want to get some behind the scenes. Other than that, obviously we're using this phone for like entertainment purposes, taking phone calls, reading emails, and listening to music, I guess. That's that. So let's go ahead and get into the second item. Second item I take with me right now is going to be this off-branded Rigid wallet. I picked this up probably on Amazon for like a couple dollars. I haven't purchased a real Rigid wallet just because, I mean, they all look the same to me. They're small, compact, lightweight, and they all have the RFID blocking. So, nobody can come over here and scan the cards and, all the other fancy crap. So I don't know. Maybe I need to buy, well, I can say maybe. This wallet right here is kind of getting beat up now. So I probably would, go ahead and purchase one from Rigid soon. I just can't imagine spending probably like $50. I think that's how much it costs, probably even more, when I can get this same exact one for like $10 probably on Amazon. I mean, quality, who cares? I mean, I had this wallet for about 2 or 3 years now, I want to say. So, hey, I don't know. The next thing I carry with me, like I'm looking down here like, Now, this part is going to be controversial because not a lot of people that I know actually carry items with them like this. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. I do carry this charging brick thingy, whatever you want to call it, with me every day. Obviously, as long as, with a USB-C port. The only reason I charge this with me is because I have my iPhone charger right here, AirPods, and on top of that, my Apple Watch. So anytime I'm doing like a long form travel, I'll be bringing this with me. So I guess it shouldn't be an everyday carry at all. So I don't bring it with me every day, but if I know I'm going to be outside for more than 8 hours, this will come with me. That way I can charge everything at one time under one cable and don't have to bring that much with me. So let's go and get to the next item that we do bring with us every day, which is obviously going to be something to listen to music with, something to isolate myself from the world. That's going to be the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Now these headphones right here, I love them. They have some great noise cancellation in them. A couple other features as well in there that are just absolutely amazing. These right here help me get into focus, help me, isolate myself from the world. Just because, as a creator, we need to lock in, lock in. Now, if I don't care about the AirPods, I want something a little bit bigger. Let's say maybe I'm going to be out for a little bit longer and I do want a lot more battery life. Then we're going to pop out these boys right here. These right here are the Beats Studio Pros. I love these headphones. They got the same exact capabilities pretty much as the Apple Pros with the noise cancellation. And then on top of that, the spatial audio transparency mode, adaptive audio as well. These come with me only when I'm pretty much doing a lot of editing outside of my house, which I have been doing that a lot lately. I've been going out to Breadco, as you guys probably we call it St. Louis Breadco, but some people may call it Panera in other states. That's when I take these with me, or if I'm going to Starbucks or somewhere just editing, for clients or actually YouTube videos like this as well. Now, the next item I bring with me is going to be my Apple AirWatch. Wow, my Apple Watch. This right here is going to be the Series 8. I still haven't upgraded this watch either, just because this one is not. I don't see what the purpose is of me upgrading every device every year besides my iPhone. This watch right here does the same exact thing that the Series 9 is going to be doing. Now, I would upgrade this watch only if I were going to jump over to the Ultra, but I have no plans to go to the Ultra anytime too soon. So therefore, we're going to be staying with this Series 8 just because it does everything I need it to do. If I want to make a quick phone call, I can definitely do so, just because I did pick this up from my wireless carrier. Let me block my face right quick. I did pick this up from my wireless carrier, so I do have that red ring around it. you know, we make cellular calls, get messages. Don't need to bring my phone with me if I, don't want to. Simple stuff like that. And then the last item we do have in our everyday carry that is very essential to me so I can get around this world, it's just my car keys. I mean, without these, I ain't going nowhere. Simple as that. I ain't gonna show you guys what kind of car I got just because I live in an area where car theft is very high. And yeah, my car I already got stolen from St. Louis in my driveway. So yeah, that's that. This is pretty much my everyday carry. I guess the only other thing I could say is a couple dollars. I don't carry a lot with me. In the past, I used to carry my MacBook with me almost every day. Sometimes I do bring this R5 with me a lot of the times, but I'm currently in the process of looking for a smaller camera. I may end up picking up another Canon EOS R50 perhaps, but it just depends, on what your boy really need. But yeah, that's all we got for you guys today on our everyday carry life. And until next time, guys, we out. Peace.